edition of the Toy Tinkerer. Today, look at what we have. This is a classic Fisher-Price toy. This is for 12 months and up, and it's called the Two-Tune TV. This is from back in the day, before we even had remote controls for our televisions. How crazy is that, right? So this is what your parents and maybe even their parents, your grandparents used to play with. This is a classic, so we're going to go ahead and unbox this. We're going to play with it, and then we're going to open it up and see how this works. So hang on 1 second, we're going to open it up. Alright, so this is what it looks like outside of the box. As you can see, it's got the little songs listed here. This one is London Bridge is Falling Down. And when we turn the knob that specifically says, turn, we wind it up. And there it is, it's showing the words to the songs. London Bridge. All the little kids playing, so cute. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And it just keeps going, and you see how it's going on a little loop. It just keeps playing the same thing over and over again with the pictures. And look, you got a little knob here that just makes some crazy little noises while this is going on. Here's what the back of it looks like, just a plain back. Some stickers on the sides. That's how it works. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is figure out how to open it up so we can see what makes the screen scroll, what makes the knob turn, and what makes this knob turn too. Does everybody want to see that? Raise your hand if you want to see it. I want to see. I want to see. So let's go ahead and start with these screws. I think this is where we have to start to try to get this opened up. See the screws here? So let's start there. All coming out of the box. Okay, so look. This is it. That's what it looks like on the inside. Here's the little scroll. And really, if you can look, it's just paper. It's just paper that scrolls around. And look. Here's what the knob turns. And what's this? This is a music box. It has a little music box right inside of it to play the music. So when you turn the knob, it also makes the music. Look at that. Pretty neat, huh? Simple and neat. So it's got these little rolls. That's what the paper with the picture is rolled on. And every time we roll it, the little music box plays. It's all hooked together. See, this little wheel is hooked to the music box. And the music box lines up just like that. See, it's turning. And it all connects with each other. There's the knob. That controls it. And it's connected directly to this music box and this wheel here. So if we turn the knob, like we're going to play with it, it's going to go. as you can see, it scrolls the paper on this wheel and plays this adorable little music box. All from just the turn of this knob. This knob creates the momentum for this to happen all on its own. And when the knob runs out of its momentum, it'll stop, just like a regular music box would. The only difference with this one is that this is actually turning the paper that has the TV side on it. So if we were to put, what do you think, everybody? Pretty neat. This is how they used to make toys. If you ever noticed, there aren't even any batteries in this. Pretty crazy, huh? Thank you for joining us for another version of the Toy Tinkerer. Next week, we're going to get a little more tech savvy. We're going to get a little more into the future, but not all the way. We're still going to do something fun. It's going to be electronic. There's going to be batteries and wires and more circuit boards. So join us next week and give us a like if you had fun with this classic video. Have a great week, everybody!